Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lentil soup for a 6-month baby. Start by rinsing 1/4 cup red lentils and combine them with 1 cup low-sodium vegetable broth and soft carrots. Simmer gently until everything is very soft, about 15 to 20 minutes. Puree to a smooth texture or mash to desired thickness, cool to lukewarm, and serve small spoonfuls while watching for reactions. Gather simple ingredients: 1/4 cup red lentils, 1 cup low-sodium broth or water, a small peeled carrot, and a pinch of mild spices like a tiny dash of cumin. Chop vegetables into small pieces so they soften quickly. Keep a clean spoon and cooled bowls ready for serving. Prepare only what your baby will eat in one sitting to ensure freshness and reduce waste, then refrigerate leftovers promptly. Start cooking on low to medium heat and cover the pot to keep moisture in, checking after 10 minutes. If the texture is too thick, add a little warmed breast milk, formula, or water to reach the right consistency for your baby. Serve in small spoonfuls and observe swallowing and comfort. Store cooled leftovers in the fridge and reheat thoroughly until steaming before serving again to ensure safety and quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.